Hey folks, you've been wondering and hoping and praying that you can rehab your house, remodel your house, finish that basement, kitchen, anything else. Well, watch this video, and then when it's over, I'm going to give you the details on how you can do just that. So don't go away.
With the housing market aging rapidly, buyers are finding themselves walking through house after house advertised as charming, vintage gem, or hidden potential. These buyers are into fixer-uppers, but the logistics can be daunting. So Freddie Mac is making it easier than ever to finance properties that require renovations. Our new offering, Choice Renovation, provides an option for borrowers to purchase their home and finance the cost of renovations with one simple, single-close mortgage. Expand your business by offering this option to your borrowers. There are two ways to deliver these loans to Freddie Mac. If the renovation work is completed prior to delivery, all Freddie Mac lenders can deliver Choice Renovation mortgages without any additional steps. If the renovations aren't completed prior to the delivery, we have a path for that too. Check out the approval process for this option in the Single Family Seller Servicer Guide. With both options, the renovations must be completed within a year of the note date. Choice Renovation mortgages can be fixed rate or adjustable rate mortgages and can be purchase or no cash out refinance transactions for all occupancy types and most property types. Even better, you can combine Choice Renovation with Home Possible or Home One mortgages, so your borrowers can take advantage of more flexibilities to lower their financing and down payment costs. This isn't just a great fit for first-time homebuyers. This is the perfect option for those wanting to renovate for single floor or empty nester living in order to make aging in place an option, or multi-generational families looking to make a home perfectly custom to their situation. For refinances, the maximum allowable renovation cost is 75% of the as-completed appraised value of the property. For purchases, the maximum allowable renovation cost is 75% of the lesser of the sum of the purchase price and renovation cost, or the as-completed appraised value of the property. Now you have another choice for today's buyers, those who can see past the many layers of wallpaper and beyond the current floor plan, and for homeowners who are ready to update their living spaces. Teaming up with the right contractor is important, but providing financing through Choice Renovation is the first step towards turning that charming fixer-upper into a dream home.
Okay, so pretty intriguing, right? So let me scratch the surface. I'm not going to go through a 15 or 20-minute dissertation on this. I just want to give you the options that you would have if you're looking to rehab your house. So how much do you need? Okay, so because there's multiple programs that we can use. You guys probably don't know out there if you're in need of some money to renovate your house, remodel, put in a basement, put on a new roof, put in a bathroom, kitchen, whatever you guys want to do, there are products out there available to you. Okay, so let's go through just generic programs right now, and then we're going to focus on one just today. FHA has a program. It's called an FHA 203K or 203K Streamline, and I'll talk about that next week. Fannie Mae has a very similar program to this, and we'll go over that as next week as well. I'll make those maybe a Tuesday, Thursday episodes. And then, but this one we're going to focus in on right now is the Freddie Mac program that the young lady right before this video spoke about, and that is directly from Freddie Mac. So who's Freddie Mac, by the way? Well, there's two entities out there in the country that probably do 85-90% of the loans in the whole country, and those are Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. If you want to learn more about those, just Google them and you can find out as much as you want to find out about them. Some people say, oh, they're a terrible entity or not. If it wasn't for them, we basically have really no mortgages in the past couple years because not a lot of lenders wanted to take that risk. But that being said, let's dig in on these programs. And again, we're just going to kind of wet your whistle. The first thing is the Choice Renovation. It's basically for those looking for a lot of money. And when I say a lot of money is, I'm going to scroll down through here and go to page 2. Okay. So this is kind of confusing, but let me go over this in kind of a nutshell. The renovation package comes with, you can basically put as much money into your house as long as the as completed value of your property is supported in the market. Okay. That's the best way I can explain it. So you can go 75% of whatever your house will be worth once it's all said and done. So let's say you have a $300,000 house and you want to put in a bathroom, a bedroom, and finish your basement and remodel the kitchen. Okay, that's probably going to take 100 grand. So it's worth 300,000. When it's all said and done, it's worth 450,000. Let's say. So we can do a loan of 75% of the after value, the $450,000. That's how this program works. The Express program is much lower in its loan amount and how much cash you can get. I won't say loan amount, it's how much cash you can get. There's restrictions there. Basically, it's when you're looking for maybe $10,000, $15,000 to do some TLC, painting, updates, this and that. You're not doing major renovation. That's the two biggest differences. The time frames on all this is basically, let's go to that section here. You can, on the renovation part, the big one, you can take a year to get it all done. Okay, so it's some major work. The Express one, you have 180 days to get it done. And many times in this program, people usually have it done within 45 days. So that's basically breaking down these loans for you. To find out more, all I would like to do is ask you to call us. We can consult you through this process, tell us what exactly you're looking to do, and we'll walk you through each part of that process. Now, how you find more about me and how to reach out to us is, it's pretty simple. Go to therateupdate.com. And what I ask you to do is go up to the top and give us a call. 844-775-5626, or there's that little thing of ours. If you're looking to refinance and you're looking for a specific rate, you just put it in here. We'll put you on the alert system, and when and if that rate hits, we will call you to make sure you lock in at that rate. But the best way to get us is call us at 844-775-5626. Why I say out the words, because it actually comes out to be 844-775-LOAN. A lot of people are missing the 775 and they're calling the Loan Depot, and they're not very happy with things because I'm getting a lot of frustrated callers, and then they find out that they didn't apply with me. So if you want to apply with me, please call 844-775-5626 or click here and set up a consultation with us. These loans can be complex, a little cumbersome, confusing. It's hard to go over those with you on the web and on a video, so we ask you to call us. We'll give you all the options that you have, and then you decide what's best for you. So thank you so much for watching today, guys. God bless. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below it, and every time I post a video, hit the bell, so every time I post a video, you get an alert. Sorry, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Been a long day. Bye-bye.